Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed, and we are here at NAMTA 2019, which is actually, we're on the KMX side, which is all about the college tours, but there's some really cool stuff that you guys can find, and right now we are live Blue Line Retiform, which is also has Filofax, and we have some amazing new planner things I want to show you. So without further ado, here we go.
Hey everybody, I'm Jennifer with Blue Line Retiform, aka Filofax, and I'm excited to show you some of our products today here at KMX/NAMTA. So whether you are an artist or in college or going to school, our products are wonderful for all the different fun features that are flexible and multifunctional. One of my absolute favorite products is our notebook. I have one of them here. This is my own personal notebook that I use as a bullet journal. So our Filofax notebooks are amazing because we have repositionable pages. So in this particular notebook, you can see that I've actually used our bullet insert pages in this particular notebook, and I've used this as a washi inventory spread.
I love that.
So you can see it's bright and fun and happy.
It's like laundry line.
Exactly, that's what I was going for. You know, every time I open it, I'm like, oh, I have a big pile of laundry I need to do.
I want to do that just as an art journal page because that's super fun.
Exactly. And then I have my birthday trackers and things, and July I have a lot of birthdays to shop for. And my happy sunshine motivational quotes page, that's another page that just helps me get going in the morning. But one of the best features of these notebooks is that the pages are repositionable. So if I don't feel like shopping for birthdays, I can just take it out like so.
It's like magic.
Like magic, and put it wherever else I want in the notebook. So you can see I'm just easily repositioning this.
That's so smart.
And this notebook holds up really well. I've been doing this at many trade shows. This book is actually over a year old too, and you wouldn't really know it. It holds up really nicely. The elastic on it is still really nice and taut too.
How many colors would this come in? Or is it designs or is it just solids?
There's a whole array of colors in this series. We have 5 pastel colors. We've got a couple different sizes. In fact, if you want to take a peek over here,
there we go.
There's just some of them that we have. The one at the tippy top there, that's a brand new one that we have coming out called Metallic Violet. Our metallic colors are really pretty.
Wow.
We also have a rose gold one that's floating around somewhere around this booth.
It's a marble one?
Marble one, yes. We've got our marble. There's the pastels. We've got pastel papers.
I love that. You actually has pastel papers that can insert into.
Yes. Look at everything you get in this pack too.
That's awesome. So here's one of the other sizes that just went with the one that you just showed me.
Yep. So A5 is the most popular size, but we also do a pocket version too.
Nice.
The pocket version is great to throw in your handbag, a smaller handbag if you're going on the go and just need something to take notes, which happens to me all the time.
Some fun bright colors.
Oh my gosh, the fluoro pink down here has been really popular. It's very bright too, but it's bright and fun and happy. So we have a fluoro blue coming out soon as well, just to kind of balance out the pink a bit.
I love blue.
And then we have a new collection down here as well called Architecture. And I wish everybody watching could feel the cover, but it really feels like a laminate floor or like a blue suede shoe.
Cool.
So you got to go and find this in store and feel it somewhere because it's really, really neat. And then we also have our classic brights in the pocket version as well.
Very cool.
So these are my absolute favorite products in the whole wide world. They are amazing. They're flexible. Again, if you are an artist or if you're in college, you can turn a notebook into...
Or a busy mom.
Or a busy mom, yes. You can turn it not just into a notebook, but in addition to that, a bullet journal and a sketchbook, etc., etc.
Shiny, pretty. And there's a silver one.
There's a silver one too, yep.
Oh, fun. See, I'd go for silver.
Yeah.
I like that. No, but wait, there's more scenario
but
happening.
Wait, there's more. Yes.
All right, here we go.
We also have a pen.
This is amazing.
This is a rose gold pen. Again, if I could find my rose gold notebook, it matches. So I'll have to show you with my orchid. So my orchid pen matches my orchid notebook.
Oh, pretty.
The cool thing about the pen is that it's erasable.
That's just magic to me.
It's totally
like some
magic.
sort of like voodoo thing that just like,
So
how did you do the sorcery?
I tend to make a lot of mistakes, okay? Like all the time. So I could definitely use this pen. In fact, it's attached to my name badge because
for a reason.
Obvious reasons. So I'm gonna scribble in my book. Oops, ruined it. So I'm actually going to use the tip here to erase it.
That's just genius.
Ta-da!
See, wizardry.
Wizardry.
No, that's awesome.
Yes.
So
like
cool.
magic.
And from what I was hearing earlier before we started filming, there is refillable ink that you can get for the pens.
Yeah, we actually
the ink
sell,
is the reason why it's erasable.
Exactly, and we sell the ink in 3 packs. So we have an all black pack, an all blue pack, and then a multicolor pack as well.
Very cool. And multi-different tones of pens. I mean, we see like there's this.
In fact, I've got a
one.
little display unit over here.
Very
Add
cool.
my rose
So
gold
pretty.
back. So yeah, currently we've got 7 colors. We've got more colors coming out later this year too, including a white one. So stay tuned for all of that. And if you're not already subscribed to our email list, make sure you hop on our website and do that. Again, filofaxusa.com. And that way you're up to date on all the latest happenings with our products. We also do dated goods too. Woo-hoo. So this year we've got all kinds of different fun covers and things coming out for our academic year. Pineapples are really big too, by the way.
Pineapples rock.
Yes, so we've got a lot of pineapples coming out this year. Our interior of our planners have been updated as well. So our interiors are updated. We've got a nice weekly, monthly format. It's nice and clean. Everything is individual SKUs now too, which is nice. And another fun thing too that we have now, it's a product called Clipbook. So Clipbook's motto is make of me what you fill. So this product is meant to be customized.
Okay.
So it's a non-dated product. So inside Clipbook, we actually give you a ton of the refills to get you started on making of it what you fill. So we give you some ruled paper, we give you the quad pages, we give you...
AKA graph paper.
Graph paper, yes, exactly. We give you the blank pages or unruled paper. And then here's some of our undated pages that you can basically start filling out whenever. And the purpose of Clipbook, again, is just to add to it. And if you're familiar with Filofax, then you know that we're known for our organizers, and you're known for all of our organizer refills.
Right.
The best part of that is that the organizer refills will actually fit into the Clipbook. So if you're like, oh, I don't feel like filling out all the dates, well, the easiest thing is just buy
a predated one.
Yeah, exactly. Buy an organizer refill.
But you can open it up. How do you open it?
So you just pull it open like so.
Oh, that's handy. I love that.
And then you just fold it back, add your things to it, and then you just pinch it shut. Nice and easy peasy.
So you don't have the little things on the end that you have to pull open and close anymore.
No. I try to make it easy.
I love that.
Yeah.
So what is this thing down here with chameleon pens?
Oh, so this is a fun new product that we're coming out with too. So we're doing a bundle with chameleon pens where, again, Clipbook is meant to be customized. So chameleon pens work great with coloring on the cover of your Clipbook. So it takes the chameleon ink really well, and you can just go to town on it. In fact, I have one over here to color on. This wasn't me, by the way. I'm not that talented. There we go. But you can blend everything really well. Aw, thank you. But you can blend really well with the chameleon pens on the covers of the books.
So this one came with a plasticky cover. That's just to protect it, or could you keep that if you wanted to?
Oh, great question. So I love the plastic packaging that these come with because you can actually use this in your design.
Oh.
I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's perforated right here on the edge.
And then to get on camera. Here we go. Yeah.
It's also perforated back here.
Oh.
So in theory, you can take this little piece off on the edge here, and you can color on the cover, you can color underneath the cover, and you can have kind of like a dual design.
A layered effect.
Exactly, a layered effect.
Cool.
That's the proper term. See, I'm not an artist, but I pretend to be really well.
It's all good. You can have like a before and after. She's got a dress, no dress. A dress, no dress. However you want to do it.
So, yeah, and again, the chameleon pens work really cool and really well for this really neat effect. So,
so this kit's coming soon, or is it available now?
Yeah, it's coming soon in the spring. It's available to order now.
Okay.
So again, stay tuned on our website for all that information.
Awesome.
And also, I think Chameleon will have that on their site as well. But
ooh, this is soft.
yeah, this matches the notebook that I showed you earlier.
It does.
too.
It does. Very fun.
So
very cool. And could you said there's refill pages for all of this too, right?
We do all kinds of refills for all of our products across all of our lines. And we love to just have little effects and things for you to just add to help you make our products your own, to help it make it be a more personalized experience for you, because that's what we love about it. I mean, obviously you saw my notebook earlier and you saw how personal that got, so.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for all your information from Filofax and Blue Line Retiform, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys again later. Bye-bye, everybody.